sit, so I choke on sun, and the days blur into one, and the backs of my eyes on the things I've never done. Sheets are swaying from an old clothesline, like a row of captured ghosts of old dead grass. There's never much, but we've made the most. Welcome ships are launching from my chest. Some have names, but most do not. If you find one, please let me know what piece I've lost. Feel the scar